Today we're going to be discussing blood flow in the heart. Alright, so we have a picture of our heart here on the screen. We have the left side and the right side. Hopefully by now you know your left and rights. So what we have is deoxygenated blood entering the right atrium of the heart. And then that's going to be coming down from the superior vena cava, or SVC. And this is deoxygenated blood entering from below the heart in the inferior vena cava, or the IVC. Now, while the deoxygenated blood is in the right atrium, the tricuspid valve is closed to keep the blood flow down into the ventricles here. The atrium will contract and the tricuspid valve will open, forcing blood down into the ventricles. The tricuspid valve will close again so that the blood cannot move back up into that atrium. Then the ventricle will contract. The forces of deoxygenated blood will move up through the pulmonary valve and into the pulmonary arteries. The left pulmonary artery takes deoxygenated blood to the left lung. The right pulmonary artery takes deoxygenated blood to the right lung. Now, the pulmonary arteries are the only arteries that carry deoxygenated blood. In the lungs, the carbon dioxide will diffuse into the alveoli. The oxygen in the lungs will diffuse into the blood. This is the process of gas exchange, which will be addressed at a later time. Oxygen from the lungs will enter the heart through the left atrium. Oxygen from the right lung enters the heart through the right pulmonary veins, and oxygen from the left lungs will return to the heart through the left pulmonary veins. Now, the pulmonary veins are the only ones that carry oxygenated blood. Now, the left atrium will contract, and this is going to force blood through the mitral valve into the left ventricle. The mitral valve will close again. This keeps the oxygenated blood from moving back up into the atrium. Then oxygenated blood will travel up through the aortic valve and carried out to the rest of the body. Now, that means we're going to trade off or diffuse into the cells and pick up carbon dioxide and other waste products. This cycle will repeat itself over and over.